go again. If now your HP laptop doesn't turn on, this is a new one. I got it like literally 3 days ago. It can happen to any laptop, honestly. But for HP, this is what works. Hold this power button, press and hold the power button for 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, it can come up after 10 seconds, but usually you should hold it after 30 seconds. So I just don't want to waste too much of your time because I believe it will come up right now. Alrighty, here 25 seconds. Then plug it in. So before pressing the power button, make sure nothing is connected to your computer, including the charger, okay? And then after 30 seconds, you can plug it in. And there you go. And now you can turn it on. Yeah, it works.